students of class 8, I am Tripathi sir here, going to start some remaining parts of your lesson, that is page number 200, science. Here you are going to read some instrument made by scientists as a toys also and some other to see apart from submarines. So one instrument is known as periscope. You can also make this instrument periscope, generally an instrument which able to see the things which you can't see directly. So this type of instrument is being used in submarine, those who are just dipping in the water, and outside scenery can be seen with that. You can see the figure, one boy is looking for that, and one submarine also which just protrudes its periscope outside to look the whatever happening on surface of the sea. It is a simple device, nothing else. Two plane mirror are fitted at an angle of 45 degree, you can see in the figure, and it is a jet type structure. When light comes and fall one mirror, it is just reflected to the other mirror. From other mirror it straightway go to your eyes and you can see the outside object from bottom only. Now the multiple reflection, whenever images formed by many mirrors, you might have seen heard the Sheesh Mahal. Here are the many plane mirrors are there. For seeing your faces in one mirror, you might have seen many other reflection is going on and you can see many faces in that. So that is known as the due to multiple reflection, and many images can be seen with that. Now once you come here, you can see here the multiple reflection, some more examples. Here one image is also being made. Now one more thing, images formed by the plane mirror, there are some formula in that. How many images will be formed by a plane mirror if you put in different angles? Sometimes it is 5. Once you put two mirrors on 60 degree, so 5 images will be formed. Once you put two mirror on 90 degree, only 3 images will be formed. Same way, there is one calculation formula for this. How many images can be formed? Here you can see. By this formula you can come to know that how many images can be formed when plane mirrors are kept in various angles. Now here is one kaleidoscope. It is one toy. Here the multiple principles are working and you can see many images in this kaleidoscope. Now the other figure which you are showing, it is a prism, and the things are refraction. When light passes from one medium to another medium, either it bend, either it is go away from the main point. You can look here in the water, one stick has put down, it is looking bended one. So whenever a light passes to the one medium to another, suppose air to water or water to air, so this way it is going to bend from its main position, and that is known as refraction. Now come to here and try to understand about rainbow. During rainy season you have seen sometimes rainbow is formed in the sky, and a clear picture you can see it is made of many colors, that is known as bibigores. Out of 7 colors you can say. So whenever some droplets of water in sky and rain is almost stopped, if sun is rises in the east side, or so rainbow will form on the west side. If it is sunset time, that time rainbow will be formed on the east side. So due to droplets of water and due to reaction of prism, that droplets work as a prism, so dispersion will take place and all the 7 colors will be spread, forming a rainbow in the sky. Now here one disk has been given here, All colors are together, they are made with the only white colors. This disc you can see, if you rotate it twice, the main color red, green and blue, they will be coming in white position, and this disc will look white if you run in higher speed. So this is the second part of your teaching. Third part I will tell you later on. Thank you.